Today we installed a plastic edging around the newly planted palm trees. You can purchase plastic edging from most garden centers at home improvement stores or garden centers. Besides giving it a neat look to the lawn, it acts as a barrier and prevents grass from growing in unwanted areas. It's commonly sold in 20-foot lengths, and a few of these connectors to join the ends are included. The height of the plastic lawn edge typically ranges from 3 to 6 inches high, generally the 4 inches used in our area. You'll need some anchoring stakes. For our project, we'll need about 5 for each 40-inch diameter circle, a spade shovel, small gardening shovel, heavy-duty scissors, and some mulch. We first used the spade shovel to dig a 3-inch deep trench around the whole bed where the plastic edging will go. Keep the soil that you have dug up close by, as we'll be using it again soon. The width of the trench must be slightly larger than the width of the edging. Approximately 2 inches is normally sufficient. Make sure you dig the trench deep enough so the plastic edging doesn't stick up out of the ground. If the edging sticks up too much, you could hit it with your lawnmower and cause damage. Place the plastic edging into the trench. Push it firmly into the dirt and make sure that the top decorative edge is just at the surface level of the trench. Then cut it, and we shape the ends of the top hollow edges to be able to easily insert the plastic joint. Then insert the plastic joint connector halfway in one end, then the other half in the other. Now we'll insert 4 stakes in a cross pattern. First one in one side of the joint, and compact the dirt some if needed. And as we insert the others, we make sure the circle shape is maintained. Then we go back and add a 5th stake on the other side of the joint. This will give extra support to the joint area. Using a small garden shovel, place the soil you previously dug up back into the trench. Fill it to the height where only the top half or third of the decorative circular edge is visible. The top border of the lawn edging can stick up approximately 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. But on the inside, we make sure it's double the height. We'll show why later. Pack the dirt along the curves of the edging with something heavy, but don't overdo it. Keep flattening the soil to make it compact. If the dirt is too dry, you can sprinkle some water with the garden hose. Then backfill the edging into any gaps in the soil. Use your hands to push soil into any gaps that you may have missed between the garden bed and the lawn. Check to see that the edging feels sturdy in all places, and add more soil in any areas that require more support. Last thing, we place mulch all around. You can see now why we made sure we had a higher edge on the inside of the circle, keeping the mulch from spilling into the outside. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.